All right. When I was taking piano lessons as a kid, my piano teacher never said to me, right before you get up and play, spend 6 hours like this.
Freaking us out with that lights.
Cool.
It's distracting, isn't it?
Don't worry, I come in peace. All right. Daniel is traveling tonight on a plane. I can see the red tail lights in the plane. I can see Daniel waving goodbye. God, it looks like Daniel. I'll see the lights in my eyes. They say Spain is pretty. Oh, I've never been. Daniel says there's been some
I feel like it'd be great for fireworks. So I feel like there's
Belt it out, belt it out.
Okay, thank you. You see more than I.
totally missed your back out. Yes.
On a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. On a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. On a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back Don't go around tonight, it's bound for your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. There's a bad moon on the rise. Hope you got your things together. Hope you are quite prepared to die. Looks like we're in for nasty weather. One eye is taken for an eye. Oh, don't go around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Don't go around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise.
with the chords. Right. And
Hey!
bravo, bravo!
More!
Yes.
Brava!
Of something.
Oh, goodness.